Okay, let's continue with the number 4. An electric circuit that produces a magnetic field is called a... It begins with a vowel sound, so the answer is... Which one? Choose one. What do you want to put? Yes, that is the correct answer. Electromagnet. Number 5 is the ability of an object to push or pull on another object that has the magnetic property. What is? Magnetism, that's correct. And the last one, is a device that creates electric current by spinning an electric coil between the poles of a magnet. The answer is the last one. Okay, so now check the vocabulary, read and repeat. I wanted you copy all the glossary. Don't copy these letters, that is the pronunciation. Don't copy that, is the page where I found in your book. Just copy the meaning. And underline, I will be checking if you underline. Underline the keywords for each concept. Okay, so let's... We're missing the last one.
Electric current that changes directions many times per second.
Okay, guys, for this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow all the teacher's direction. See you in the next video. Bye bye.